3 Genesis keys. What is this all about? Today I'm gonna just unbox all these things right after this intro. Alright, so guys, this Genesis keys is all about this particular NFT collection, which is Galaxy Fight Club, and I own 4 of them, which is this. So let me just open up one of them so you get an idea that what this collection is all about. Let's click on this. So if you see the description right over here, this is the first cross IP PvP fighting game where holders of different NFT collections can log in and battle each other. And then they came up with this GFC, which is Galaxy Fight Club Genesis key, which unlocks a couple of more things for us. Okay, so currently it is trading at 0.639 and I'm holding 4 of them, which is shown over here, and they are good rare ones too. So now when I received, so this is the account which we have when we log into the portal, and these are the 3 keys which were there: Tier 1 Genesis key, Tier 2 Genesis key, Tier 3 Genesis key. Now based upon my tokens and everything, I was eligible for 2 of them and I got Tier 2 and Tier 3. And now it is on Polygon mainnet, so I've just connected my wallet and I'm gonna actually unlock these boxes. Right, these are kind of loot box, so that's the reason why it is lootbox.galaxyfightclub.com. So if you have Genesis key for GFC, which is Galaxy Fight Club, then you can just visit lootbox.galaxyfightclub.com and log into your Polygon mainnet wallet. And if you have any keys, just unlock them. So I'm gonna actually, rather I would say this is unboxing of loot boxes in the Web3 NFT world. So now I'm gonna click on use key for this. I don't even know what it would be. So you have chosen to use Tier 2 keys. How many would you like to use? 1. Yeah, obviously I have only 1. So I'll click on confirm. Let's see what happens. I assume that I might just pay some fee in Polygon. Yep, there you go, 0.02 Matic, and this is very less. Like on Matic, it is very less, you know. So in Matic, you don't end up paying more, just like on Ethereum. But yeah, so let's see what happens next. It is just loading and loading. I am assuming that there would be some kind of weapons or things, because this entire game is based upon weapons, people fighting. I mean, not people fighting, obviously, in the Web3 space. It would be NFT collectors fighting. So they have collaborated with Bored Apes, they've collaborated with Punks, then Biopills, which is like kind of a pill. So I can show you that as well. So while this is happening, okay, fine. So it is opening again. Okay, and now I have to pay another gas. Let me just click on confirm. So this is on Matic right now. This is different. Okay, so I've just for the sake of safety, and bingo. So for the sake of safety, I would I have kept 100 Matic over here in this Matic network of my wallet. So I've just got these 2 things: loot box results. I guess this is Biopill. I don't know what this particular one is. This seems to be kind of a Biopill. I'll just click on return, and now this says 0. Okay, fine. Now let me just use this, confirm, and let's see what I get over here. Let's say I'll click on confirm, and now this is also opening up. And while this is opening, let me just go back over here and let me show you what it is. So they have collaborated, and for that I'll have to visit their website first. So let me just visit the website. So they have collaborated with all these different things. This is Bored Apps, this is Cool Cats, and you might be able to see more over here down below. Yep, they've collaborated with Bag, CryptoPunks, then I don't know what this is, Deadheads, Animatas. So I have Deadheads. Okay, fine. Another transaction to be confirmed. Okay, confirm. So I also have Deadheads. I have Animatas, I have MetaKey, I have Biopills. So all these NFT collections I already have. So I know that there would be something significant happening for me as well. So always remember, there's just a lesson for you. If you own different NFT collections which might be dealing with the weapons, which might be dealing with some of the other things, I don't know, this is very early, then they might just collaborate with different NFT collections. So this is a game collection. So always remember, when you are investing in a game kind of collection, if you believe in that collection so much, I'm sure they would partner with different NFT collections in future. So if they have partnered with, so Galaxy Fight Club, I'm holding 4 of them. Then they also have partnered with Deadheads. So the value of Deadheads also increases because Galaxy Fight Club has now collaborated with them, and it's a vice versa. Okay, so if I show you, I also have this Deadhead right over here. All right, this is the collection. So if I click on this, OpenSea, its floor price might not be high or something, but the benefits in holding all these tokens would be so much more in the next decade that people don't realize that. Okay, so this is one. Then if I go into biopills, I also have a couple of biopills, I guess, which is right over here. Yep, so I have 2 of them. So let's open that as well. Yeah, so this is one of them. Then there is another one. So I'm already getting 0.75. Oh fuck, so their floor price is very high. Okay, that floor price has increased a lot. I didn't even check that since past couple of probably months, because I just bought it at 0.299 5 months ago in the month of August, and then I didn't buy anything. Anyway, so let's just go back to our Genesis key and bingo. So another Babel we have got, and this is another weapon which we have got. So return, and there you go. All right, so I have 2 of them. Now I guess it should also show up right over here. No, because it is on Polygon, so I guess I'll have to go to my profile on OpenSea, and as it is on as it is on Polygon, it will be showing on hidden network, I am assuming. Let's click on hidden, and let's go to collection or chains, Polygon, and okay, so I guess it might just reflect a little bit later. Oh yeah, there you go. See, I have this Genesis key, but so they are showing up over here, but it is yet not showing the new ones which you have got over here, the weapons. Maybe later on I might just see that, because it would take a little bit more time for it to be like reflecting over here. But yeah, anyways, that's those are the things which I have received, and let me just go back to my account over here, and let's see if I'm able to see that or not over here. Not yet, so maybe it would reflect later on, or maybe there might be some other place. But just wanted to make sure that this episode brings you value with respect to different kind of things which projects might build upon on NFTs, and how you can use them and how you can leverage that by holding. Because remember one thing, in the NFT space in the next decade, people who would be holding their tokens for a longer period of time would be benefiting a lot of things eventually. And not all projects would evolve like that, but there would be a lot of them who would evolve in a better way. And this is kind of mutual funds of where you hold for 5-10 years and you see benefit, but you don't see any benefit instantly in 6 months or 1 year.
Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in till the end of this video. Let me know if you found it valuable or not in the comments below. If you loved it, found it valuable, do give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you have still haven't, and pass this on to somebody else. There are 2 other videos as well somewhere around this. Do watch them, and I'll see you in the next one.